Namaskar everyone, my name is Shivam Sharma from class 8B and today I am going to show you a PowerPoint presentation on art forms of Assam. Paintings in Assam. The tradition of painting in Assam can be traced back to several centuries in the past. Ahom palaces and satras and Namgarh etc. still abound in pretty colored paintings depicting various stories and events from history and mythology. Manuscript painting in Assam. Manuscript painting tradition in Assam has been flourished since 7th century till 19th century under patronage of royal court and medieval religious monasteries. An artistic clan or community called Khanikar has been practiced using indigenous materials as bark leaf for picture service and Hengul Hetal as color pigment. Craft in Assam. The people of Assam have been traditionally been craftsmen from the time immemorial. Though Assam is mostly known for its exquisite silk, bamboo and cane products, several other crafts are also made here. Different regions of Assam are known for their different forms of art. Cane and bamboo have remained inseparable parts of life in Assam. Woodcraft, metalcraft, etc. are some of the traditional craft of Assam. It's been more than 2000 years that various traditional crafts have been emerged in Assam. Woodcraft. Another important and traditional craft of Assam is woodcraft. The woodcraft industry is carried out by the group of people called the Khonikars. The prayer houses, Kirtangars or Namgars and the Vaishnavite monasteries, Satras of Assam are a testimony of artistic creations of Khonikars. Origin of woodcraft in Assam. The woodwork industry in Assam was productive in ancient times when the forests were abundant with rare and vulnerable woods. It was traditionally carried out by a group of people locally named Konikars who handcraft wooden structures and decorative items in the palaces of Ahom rulers. Bamboo craft. It is also a kind of woodcraft. Bamboo-based craft is now mainly household industry and occupies an important place among the handicrafts of the state. It provides a subsidiary occupation to cultivators and full-time occupation to highly skilled artisans who produce only fine decorative baskets, furniture, etc. Benefit of bamboo craft. Here are some benefits of bamboo craft. Some construction materials. Bamboo can be a material made into a wall of house, bridge structure material, cooking equipment material, musical instruments, handicraft materials, traditional weapons, etc. Pottery in Assam. Assam was essentially two traditional potters community, the Kumars and the Hiras, whose roots can be traced back many centuries. The process followed by the Kumars has remained the same since ancient times. Assam Hira potters embrace technology to keep craft alive. The potter communities of Assam, especially the Hiras, who were once devoted. The women folk of Hira Society of Assam are practicing the pottery making without wheels since centuries ago as their traditional occupation. Pottery in Assam has its origin many centuries ago and occupies a very important position in the handicraft scenario of the state. The cord mark pottery wares have been a distinct feature of this region since Neolithic period. Apart from the handmade pottery, finds a large number of wheel-made wares, either its shards or in full, have also been recorded through exploration as well as exhibition in numerous sites across the region. Thank you everyone for your attention.